Hey, what's up? Tucker here. Welcome back to my weekly vlog. Here is what I've done this week, and as you know, I've been working on the new version of mobile app. Here are the features I've been working on, and a lot of features have been implemented this week. As you can see, a lot of features are still in development, like Mermaid. I'm planning to implement it, and workspace menu also revision like so. And it doesn't still support inserting images, but I'll be working on it soon. And also, I'm planning some new features like PDF export. It requires some native implementations for iOS and Android. Because it looks like it has I have to extend the WebView component. So it can export the web page as PDF data. Yes, and I'd like to show you one of the features I implemented this week is that which is smooth transition to the node selection mode. So let me show you a demo here. So if you long press the node list item, it smoothly transitions to the node selection mode, which is cool, right? It's very, very smooth. And it's very intuitive, right? So you can select multiple nodes and do some batch actions like deleting image. It's not implemented yet, but it'll be available soon. So you can do actions like moving nodes or adding tags at once. So it was hard to implement this animation, but I'm happy that I've managed to do that. Yeah, it's cool, right? This works. Cool. Okay. Next up, batteries. So it's now available on Google Play Store as well. So fortunately, Google Play Store approved my app for open testing. So I'll be talking about this later. And next up is this version. So random crash is still happening, unfortunately, and I've been investigating about it. I thought SQLite 3 might be causing this issue, but it turns out it's not. So I decided to upgrade Electron from 16 to 21. And this app I'm using right now is built with version 21, and it's been working fine without any crashes. So I'll publish a beta release next week. So please try it. Okay, and I did some accounting work. I need to find a back office agent through crowdfunding to save some time. I don't want to spend time for chores. Yes. So let's talk about the new mobile version, about beta testing. And I have to mention that I gave up implementing the native editors. So I've been trying so hard to implement native editors, but it turns out it's impossible. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it stable enough, enough stable for production use, because there are so many breaking changes during the development. The breaking changes in iOS, Android, and also CodeMirror. CodeMirror is a web-based editor component, and it's version 6, which is a new version, and the maintainer has been working hard to build it, and it was in beta, and now it's it's officially released. It's been officially released. So it's very much better than when I was working on building this native editor. So I decided to. So I found that CodeMirror 6 is stable enough on mobile platforms. So I decided to go with it and give up the native editors. As you may know, I managed to implement the very basic features in native code, but I couldn't make it stable enough, like syntax highlights or some other features like auto continue list, task check features like so. So it's so hard to implement them. So it'd be nice to use CodeMirror 6 directly from in embedded web view. But this effort is not this effort will be paid off in the future for sure, because I've learned a lot from this effort. I've learned how to implement platform-dependent features in native code, and I could deeply understand the internals of CodeMirror 6, so I can extend this CodeMirror to support some additional features for Markdown editing. So I can't wait to add more features. And this is the main difference from the classic version. And it means that there were a lot of critical bugs on Android, but they have been solved. So Android, we're typing bugs when adding markup and can delete line break, but points do not insert automatically. They are critical bugs. Let me show you. So this is the classic version. It's old version. And looks like fine, but if you try to remove the lines at once, it stops. The keyboard disappears and you can't delete lines. Line breaks. So it's critical. And also, if you wanna insert a list item and press return key, it doesn't append the list bullet automatically. Unuseful, right? So this is the main bugs in the classic iOS Android version, but they have been solved. So here is the new version. Okay. So you can remove lines at once. It works like a charm. And you can insert new items. Order item. Yeah, it works. I'm so excited. Okay. So that's the main difference from the classic version. So I can't wait to hear your thoughts. So please try it now. I'll put a link in the video description below. So please join the beta testing. Yeah, that's it. Yes, have a productive day.